Trying again, fourth time through here. One, two, three. This is four. So if we measure this, kind of what I'm looking for to run back into here. This is a 1P run here. Hopefully we can get enough for a 3P run today. But this is what I'm looking for, a move back down into here. And again, fourth time through. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 coming down. All right, we've moved in off of the swing high up here, 27 into 26. So only we're willing to risk 10 now. Let's make it 9. We started with a 1/2 hour target to start with. $52.08 is the big sticking point this week, last week. So let's see it get through there. In fact, let's just go ahead and protect 23. It's like, what do we not want to see right now? Really don't want to see it move back up to this mid-range here. I want to see it run 52.08 before 52.23. We are in roll week. The volume's being split between July and August, so favoring the short due to where we're trading below pivot, going to, whoops, going for the S1 line, hopefully below it. This is the lowest session right here, so this is kind of what I'm got in my target right now, get to the lowest session. Our GAN number is 5140 today. So if it wants to move, and we're at 5138, so we want to come off of that. We'll call it 5151. Alright, didn't want to work. I didn't want to run. Pausing. Okay, maybe I second guessed it and went a little bit too early. Really don't want to see 24 get hit again now. So 1P move right here from the swing, 52.27, be 52.01 right in here. There's a 1P move from the swing up there, up here. Pause. Alright, so we're down to that point. This is the, we need to get through here. This is Wednesday's mark, 52.08. We're actually going to go after the GAN signal here at 51.40. We'll take a lot less. 51.49 is actually a 3P move down right now. You know, that would be good on a day, on a Monday, to get a 3P move our way. So this right here is from the swing at 27. That's a 1P move from the swing. What I'm looking at this mark is a break-even area. In fact, I really don't want to take a hit on this trade right now at all. In my humble opinion, either wants to run down or it wants to go up hard. And we're also playing with options and futures expiring on the July's contract. So I'm hoping that most of it's already been completed from Friday to now, and then we'll go after the $50 mark really. I'm going to pause. Alright, that's close enough to get in here. Lower our loss a little bit. Hopefully we want to see 52.08 less 5 is 13. So anything above 13 right now, in my humble opinion, is failure on this trade. 13 or higher. Playing inside a range right now, so really what I want to see is a fallout. I don't want to see a comeback. Fallout versus comeback. So a 3P move from the swing high is 51.49. Let's give it one extra tick to 14. Obviously, what I'm hoping right now is the market has a memory, the 52.8 mark holds, and we head down here. This could be a quick, though. The other side of this is, though, no, don't forget what we're doing here. Could go like that too, going for pivot point. Pivot point is right up here. It's not that far. So we're playing in a lower high situation right now, but obviously it could change over and go after pivot at any moment. Right now we're playing pivot point to S1, so that's why I'm a little bit more aggressive on my trades, looking for a move to S1. Got 147 at 52.07. If we get through that, we got a chance. Alright, you know what I should wait for now is a high volume bar. Pausing. Alright, we see the run right now. High blue bar, 1156. 935. Up here against pivot. going to get underneath 36 now. Alright, so swing high 52.47. Need 52.21 on the down. 1p move from that mark is 52.21. Really don't want to see it get above 43 right now. Let's hold 44. Go ahead and protect break even right now. So 51.40 is our GAN signal. That's what we're going to go after. Call it 51.41. We'll take a lot less than that, but that gives us a target on GAN. A 4p move is 43, so that's our target. 51.43. 4p down move from the swing high there. Oh shit. Pause. Okay, right now I'm at 3 trades, -5. Honestly, if that was a mark that wanted to fall, it should have fallen from there. So us stalling here usually means that we've got probably going after the highs here now. Pausing. Alright, so the swing high is 52, well the session high is 52.74, and we're about, what, 40 ticks in from it roughly. So let's look and see what's going on here. Here's your 10-minute chart. Kind of came off of this level, right? that's back here too. See a lot of time spinning here, corresponding over here, and we're down here on the lows, and that corresponds down here on these lows. So it's an inside trading range right now. As far as volume goes, I guess you could say we're almost at a tiebreaker right now. We have this 1068 bar at 806, and then we have 1156 right now on the blue side. So a tiebreaker, if we discount this bar and say it's already been played out, we're in a tiebreaker scenario right now, and we need the tiebreaker. So hopefully that'll keep me away from a bad trade right now, waiting for a tiebreaker bar to come on the charts of at least 1,000. So let's be patient here. Got a feeling we're going up here a little bit more. Then we'll see another. So ideally, I guess what's going to happen, what do you think about it? It's going to go up here after that 5274 mark, and then we'll see another 1,000 volume bar on the blue side, and then maybe we'll get an entry point at that point. We have a 1, 2, 3 setup right underneath here at 30 at the 28 mark. So we want to have that on the charts right now, just in case it does roll down here. So this is the 1, 2, 3 official mark right here. Here's your 1.2, here's your 3, unless it busts up over there, based upon our volume bar right now. So that's our mark. And we'll see it move 3p from there, hopefully. Pause. So we either, well, now we're moving up again. So let's see what happens here. There's our tiebreaker bar right there. Let's take a shot at 35, 34. $36 now. We want to take a shot around 36. I'm going to run with a really tight stop of 7 at 36. Here's our tiebreaker bar. So let's see if it goes down from here. So we got above here, got the highest session, and then we got another trading range. Looks like I'll be looking for a 2p run, roughly about 52 ticks today. All right, so what we have here is 47 and then 51. It only went higher by 3 ticks. I'm scared of it at 36 though. I just think 36 will be that swing low and then we'll go back up again. So we're inside this range right here. It's better short at 28 right now. It wants to come down, but then it might come right back up too. Might need to see a third 1000 volume bar here before anything happens. Ideally, I like to have caught it up there at 51, 50, 49. What you got to ask yourself is, why did it stop here? Probably because it wants to go higher. Alright, so I'd be happy with a 2p move today. It's the Monday right now. See if we can find that third blue bar, third or the 5 coming up. Got a feeling that the market wants to get up to here or close to it. Pausing. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3 set up on this high, swing high, shorten at 29. It's actually short at 30, but I want to be a tick underneath that. Using these volume bars here to go into the short side. In case it wants to fall, we want to catch it. I really believe though that we're going this way, but breaking through here, 1, 2, 3, heading up. So this contract will be last day of trade on this one. It'll be rolling. It's actually rolling today, but there's more volume in July than August. When I looked at it early this morning, so that's why I'm trading July. Tomorrow will be first day of August. This what a 3p move from here is 51.51. That's a pretty cool target. We can get that whole move. So that's as if it does have a free fall, maybe it goes through the 77 mark, going to 51, going to GAN of 51.40. So that's although I'll be quick to take the low, or plus 50 ticks too. In this case, it'd be plus 45 since we're down 5. Pause. All right, so I put a full 1/2 P here with the 3P target. All right, don't say anything yet. Pausing. Actually, let's make the end of this. Let's make this end of part 1 right here.